Hi everyone. Today, I'll be sharing an innovative feeding strategy in dairy production, focusing on the use of monosodium glutamate byproduct as an A protein alternative. MSGB is a brown slurry with a burnt protein odor, high concentration, and acidic pH 3.69. It is microbiologically safe, with no salmonella detected and acceptable levels of bacteria and yeast, mold. Crude protein 460 g per kilogram. The total amino acid content of MSGB is 91.8 g per kilogram. The most abundant amino acid is glutamic acid, accounting for 47.9 g per kilogram, which is more than half of the total amino acids. This table summarizes a study by Kiao Kliang et al. 2012 on replacing concentrate with MSGB molasses mix at 12.5%, 25%, and 37.5% in Holstein Friesian heifers. Final body weight and average daily gain were not significantly affected. The findings suggest MSGB mix can replace up to 37.5% of concentrate without impairing growth, supporting its use as a cost-effective feed ingredient. Patten-Gluck et al. 2017 evaluated MSGB as a replacement for soybean meal at 20%, 40%, and 60% inclusion levels in lactating dairy cow diets. MSGB replaced soybean meal at 20-60% without affecting intake or nutrient digestibility. NDF digestibility and VFA levels tended to increase with MSGB. Ruminal ammonia nitrogen was lower at 20% MSGB. BUN remained stable. This slide shows the chemical composition of CPMSG cassava pulp mixed with monosodium glutamate by product adapted from Rookboon et al. 2019. CPMSG has high dry matter and crude protein, making it a strong protein source. Low fiber content, supporting better digestibility. High gross energy at 3,485.7 kilocalories per kilogram, ideal for ruminant energy needs. CPMSG replaced soybean meal at 10% and 15% in goat diets. Goats fed CPMSG showed higher intake of concentrate, hay, DM, CP, NDF, and ADF. Growth performance improved, especially at 15% inclusion. CPMSG is a viable alternative protein source for improving intake, growth, and rumen activity. In ruminant, this slide shows the effects of replacing soybean meal with MSGB at 0%, 20%, 40%, and 60% in dairy cows. Milk yield and 3.5% FCM were unchanged, showing no impact on lactation. MSGB can replace up to 60% of soybean meal without reducing performance and improve economic returns. Conclusion: MSGB is rich in crude protein and fermentable nutrients that enhance rumen function and productivity. It can replace up to 60% of soybean meal without reducing intake, digestibility, or milk yield. When combined with cassava pulp as CPMSG, it improves intake and growth. MSGB-treated rice straw enhances roughage quality and fiber utilization. Thank you for your attention.